Have you ever looked around you at the trees, the sky, the people, the entire planet and just thought, this is all matter? It's the stuff that makes up everything we can see and touch. But what if I told you there's a dark twin to all of this? A mysterious opposite called antimatter. And what would happen if these two, matter and antimatter, ever came into contact? Let's dive into one of the most mind-bending concepts in all of physics. Imagine stepping into the bizarre, microscopic world of particle physics. Here, for every single particle of matter, there's a mirror image, an antiparticle. The familiar electron has its twin, the positron. The proton has the They're identical in almost every way, sharing the same mass, but they have one crucial difference. Their electric charge is the complete opposite. It's like looking at a reflection that's both the same and perfectly reversed, a fundamental duality, like light and darkness, woven into the very fabric of reality. So, what's the big deal? Well, when a particle of matter meets its antiparticle twin, something truly spectacular happens. They don't just bump into each other. They annihilate each other. They vanish completely, converting their entire mass into a pure, explosive burst of energy. To give you some perspective, the energy released from just a tiny, minuscule drop of antimatter colliding with matter would be powerful enough to rival a nuclear explosion. It's the most efficient and potent energy source known to science, and it sounds like something straight out of a blockbuster sci-fi movie. But this isn't science fiction. This is real. Deep beneath the border of France and Switzerland, at CERN, scientists operate the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator. And in this incredible facility, they have successfully created and trapped antimatter. It's a monumental achievement, but there's a catch. The antimatter they create is incredibly unstable in our world of matter. It survives for only a few fleeting billionths of a second before it encounters a particle of matter and disappears in a flash of energy. It's like trying to hold on to a ghost. This incredible, destructive potential of antimatter caught the imagination of author Dan Brown in his best-selling thriller, Angels and Demons. A secret society steals a small vial of antimatter from a lab just like CERN. Their plan: to use this ultimate weapon to obliterate the Vatican City. The story brilliantly weaves together cutting-edge science, ancient religion, and a heart-pounding race against time. It's a breathtaking collision between creation and destruction. Faith and physics that makes you wonder about the thin line between them. But the fictional thrillers and real-world experiments all point to an even deeper, more profound mystery. According to our best theories, the Big Bang should have created equal amounts of matter and antimatter. In that fiery cosmic dawn, they should have existed side by side. If that's true, they would have annihilated each other long ago, leaving behind a universe filled with nothing but light. So, why are we here? Why is our universe made almost entirely of matter? Where did all the antimatter go? This is one of the biggest unanswered questions in all of cosmology. Could it be that, somewhere out there, in the vast, unexplored reaches of the cosmos, there exists a mirror universe, an entire galaxy, or even a universe, where stars, planets, and life are all made of antimatter? A place where an anti-you might be looking up at an anti-sky, asking the very same questions. It's a question that, for now, has no answer. But searching for it might just be the key to unlocking the deepest secrets of our own existence. Matter and antimatter. Two opposing halves of the universe, where light and darkness were born from the same cosmic explosion. It's a beautiful reminder that in our world, opposites often define each other. Light and shadow, nothing and something, creation and destruction. Perhaps it's only by understanding both sides of the coin, by embracing the duality in everything, that we can truly begin to understand the universe and ourselves. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to the edge of reality. If you enjoyed this and want to explore more of the universe's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and we'd love to have you back for the next adventure. See you then.